Hello, everybody. My name is Greg, and I am the Health and Education Director for the Bisexual Queer Alliance Chicago. And we are here on the south side today at the Center on Cottage Grove with Betty Akins. Can we get to know you about you and what you do here at the Center on Cottage Grove?
I am the manager and also outreach person for Center on Cottage Grove. This is a wonderful opportunity to be able to be in this community. I consider it my community. I grew up in this area and have lived here most of my life. So with being queer and being able to connect with community out here and to be of purpose in the community to help make a safe space at the Center on Cottage Grove is really a wonderful thing.
Great, and thank you. And again, our topics today are about mental health here and among the bisexual and queer communities. And Betty, how has the Southside community been served with for mental health?
I think that the South Side has opportunities, many opportunities for people to receive mental health around different areas, Southeast and Southwest, and Roseland, and South Chicago, also West and Inglewood. There are places there. And of course, you have the University of Chicago. And I believe that there are opportunities, but I also believe that getting to a deeper level in terms of resources and also how people are able to access, depending on what's happening in their personal lives, for them to be able to get the help that they need.
Thank you. And are there organizations that provide mental health services?
Yes, they are. We have the at Chicago House is one. I had mentioned the University of Chicago. Also here at Center on Cottage Grove, we're developing more mental health sessions for people. And also out south, there's the Southside Hope Center, or the Southeast Hope Center, and also the Chicago Family Health Center that's out south as well. So there are a few places, a number of places that people can go for mental health, but also again it depends on the accessibility that they have to be able to have the time to do that.
Thank you. And how accessible are these programs to the bisexual, queer, and LGBT communities as a whole?
Well, definitely Center on Cottage Grove, Center on Halstead is open and for everyone. And also, I think that there are certain places that the LGBTQ person, people should be able to get good quality care, mental health care from, but also that people should be careful and inquisitive who the person is who's serving them, and if they have that background, and being able to understand and talk to people who are queer.
Thank you. And also, as part of mental health, BQAC has recently went into a partnership with Reach Labs from Northwestern University, and the BITE program is Bisexual Inclusive Therapy Education Program, and we are trying to help train providers, mental health providers, for the LGBTQ community so that community as a whole can be better served by mental health providers. And Betty, did you have any upcoming events here at the Center on Cottage Grove?
Yes, we do. We have 2 events coming up. One is that we are creating a behavioral health BIPOC queer mental health session. We are trying to do that like once a month on Thursdays. And we're just trying to build that up here, and anyone who's interested in coming through and being at that session from 12 to 2 p.m. is definitely welcome. We'll be serving food at the time as well. And the other event that's coming up on October 24th is a trans social event. We're planning that. We're planning a really fun time for all ages to come in and to eat and to dance and to be creative with some arts. And also, it's a time for remembrance for trans remembrance, and we would just like to honor the people who have gone before us, and and just do something a little special with that. But it should be a good time.
Thank you. I hope everybody enjoyed this evening's fireside chat with Betty Akins from the Center on Cottage Grove. Please consider stopping by here to attend either one of those events. And also, if you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comment section what your experiences are with the mental health community.